You said what? Why am I so troublesome? Why can't I be troublesome? I bet you were troublesome when you were young. Were you troublesome? I don't believe you. Good morning. How are you doing today? What time did you wake up? Mama, I know I've asked you this question off camera. I just want to ask you again. You know, with stars. Well, hi everybody. My name is Nubuke, and this is my darling grandma, Mag. Grandma, what are we cooking today?
Okra soup.
Woo! We're cooking some okra soup, and so grandma's gonna teach me. Homegirl has so graciously offered to teach me how to cook okra soup again and bring you guys along for the journey. Thank you, Grandma.
Welcome.
Do you think everybody should know how to cook?
Everybody should cook.
Yeah.
You know how to cook some food.
Yeah.
Especially what you like to eat.
That's true. Let's go! Did you actually kill the goat?
Yes.
You killed the goat yourself. Hey!
You cannot kill it outside.
I don't know what you can do. I don't know what you've done in your life. What's this?
Okra.
Okra? Okay.
Boil okra.
And then when you remove the bones when you put it in the soup? No? The bones are part of the soup?
Yes.
Okay.
Back.
What do you think the most exciting thing you've cooked is? The hardest and then the easiest thing you've cooked. How about that?
Hand.
Hey, I'm sorry. Hey, not everybody can cook as brilliantly as you, Grandma. Growing up, who taught you how to cook?
My mom.
Your mama. Would you say what age did you start learning how to cook?
You start grinding the pepper first. Grind the pepper, onion, everything.
Yeah, I was gonna say, what do you prefer in terms of like? Well, surely the blender is easier to use than the grinding stone.
It's easier.
But you won't say your arms are as strong, you know, because of the. So what time would you wake up then?
By 5 a.m. it should be up.
5 a.m. What would you say your morning routine in like the village was like?
You wake up at 5 a.m. do your housework.
Housework like what?
And sweeping.
Yeah, so you have plenty cousins. So didn't that make it easier?
Yeah, we rotate.
Okay, so you wake up, you do your chores.
Then you go to school.
Then you go to school.
If you have a plot to sweep at school, you have to go early and sweep.
So you sweep in the house, then you go to school and you sweep in school?
Yes.
Oh my god.
I was going to sweep your compound.
To be fair, I did do that when I was in university primary. And then even in TIS, we swept like the hallways and stuff.
Yes.
Yeah. Clearly, you have a knack for fashion. Why didn't you go to fashion school, huh?
I'm not cut for that. I just wanted to teach.
How was that like? The transition from saying that, okay, I want this like goal, and then I have this goal and I got it. Did you always know that this would happen? So for example, I'm here, I want to do acting, but really it's like the craziest career goal I could have decided to pick.
I've always wanted to teach.
Yeah.
I've taught for a long time.
Okay. Oh wow, wait, hold on. So you did the teaching and everything, and then you resigned because you were setting up a school. Where was the school going to be? In Accra? In Teshi. So what happens when you decide you're going to set up the school and then the school didn't work out?
I learned how to do flowers.
But surely you cried and you were sad.
I was disappointed. Why should I cry?
Because your dreams and your goals and the thing that you wanted didn't come.
And when you cry, will it come?
I guess my question is, there are so many other career paths that you could have chosen apart from teaching. Why gardening?
Because I love flowers.
And so did the business then take off?
Oh yes.
Oh wow.
I like plants.
So did you feel like that was like very gratifying? Because I mean,
Very.
oh, that makes me so happy. Oh grandma, that's so cool. Okay. You ended up moving from Teshinungwa
To Pokwasi.
Okay.
And
So
that stopped
the business. So right now, I mean, you're a sexy 80-year-old, 85-year-old, I'm sorry. Sexy 85-year-old woman cooking okra soup, being stressed out by her granddaughter.
You like stressing me out?
Yeah, because grandma is my job. What is a day in the life of, because you are social. You are very social. Should I get your phone? Like I said, she's a very social woman. Exhibit A. Yeah, but I was asking you, don't you ever get bored? And you're telling me no.
No, I don't get bored. Why should I get bored?
Because, I don't know, I feel like you need to be watching movies or something.
No, I don't like watching movies.
You don't like watching movies?
During the day. No, even the TV. I switch the TV on from 5:30. Watch documentary
Yeah.
or anything.
Yeah.
And then the news. After the news, I switch it off. Go upstairs. Have my evening devotion.
Oh my, so many devotions.
And I sleep.
3 devotions, grandma. 3.
It's not 3. Yeah, it's 3. Yeah. When I was younger, I was sleeping a lot. But now, when you are old, you don't sleep.
You don't sleep, oh, grandma. And if you said wake up at 3 a.m., you wake up. Wake up at 5.
I have to wake up at 3 a.m. My body will tell me, and I'll wake up.
That's crazy. I can't do that.
That is you.
Yeah, that is you. You are a force to be reckoned with. What would you tell young Margaret who has experienced things if you could go back?
You have to make yourself busy all the time.
Busy?
Yes. If you don't sit down idly,
Okay.
there's something to do all the time.
Yeah.
You can read, you can do gardening, you can cook, you can join clubs.
Yeah.
Yes, and go out. Don't sit in your house and think you are the only person.
Don't sit in your house and think you're the only person. Don't be idle. Do something.
Yeah.
I cannot believe I've been able to get you here. This is great. And thank you. Okay guys, so we just saw that video with my grandma teaching us how to make okra soup, which I'm actually gonna attempt to do on my own. I'll bring it to you for tasting, grandma. She just showed me that you add baking soda sometimes so that it...
Sometimes.
Sorry, not sometimes, all the time. Or a local spice rock called kawa. Kawe. Or you add kawe to make it slimier. You grate the okra and then you power boil it.
If you want to cut it.
What's power boil?
Pat boil.
Pat boil. Mebeko nkwana maye.
Nkwana we no.
Aha.
Mebeko
me fie.
Akodi.
Ejane. Don't look at me. I don't speak tree. I'm not a Khan. I'm not Ashanti. I don't speak tree. I speak Ewe.
I just might be a black Bill Gates in the making.